Everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide solution to this question provided. Okay, we have given 21 power 63 over 63 power 21 and we have these numbers, they have the relationship. We are going to find the relationship of these numbers. Okay, here we have 21 power 63 over this 63 can be equals 21, okay, then times 3 power 21, okay, power 21. Now this can be 21 power 63, okay, over 21 power 21 times 3 power 21. Now from this we can deal with this one to get, we can deal with the numbers with same base, 21 power 63 over 21 power 21 times 1 over 3 power 21. Now here we can write 21, then when you have same base, to mean the power will be subtracted from 63 minus 21, then times 1 over 3 power 21, and this should be, will be 21 power 42, okay, then times 1 over 3 power 21 will be 3 power 21, okay. Then this one, no, 42 is equal to 21 times a 2, to mean this 21 power 21 plus 21 over 3 power 21, and this can be 21 power 21 times 21 power 21. Then here we can divide 3 power 21. From here we can write in single form as this one, then power 21 times 21 power 21. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Power 21 times 21 power 21. Then our answer shall multiply 7 times 21 power 21 to get 147 power 21. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.